अच्छा, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 103. Please call Mr. Nation on the telephone and tell him that the illustrations, ये क्या है? Illustrations. तो ये किस तरह लिखेंगे? देखें, illustrations, illustrations. ये एस सर्कल भी है और आर हुक भी है, ये शन हुक भी है और एस सर्कल भी है. अच्छा, are nearly ready. Full stop. Mention that they will be delivered tomorrow. Full stop. The addition to the nation's population during the year exceeded any increase in former years. Full stop. Many of the people in the organization believe that the situation is so bad that the opposition faces defeat in the national election. Full stop. फिर कहता है, डॉक्टर फोस्टर रिमार्क्ड बाई ऑल मीन्स, बाई ऑल मीन्स. तो किस तरह लिखेंगे? देखें, ये बाई ऑल और ये मीन्स. बाई ऑल means take a vacation and exercises action to avoid no more calls. First up. Dear sir, we are pleased to inform you that your application for admission, ये क्या है? Admission to the College of Physician and Surgeons. देखे, ये न्यू वर्ड है, ये सर और ये जन्स. सर ये एन हुक भी है और ये एस सर्कल भी है. अच्छा, सर्जन्स हैज बीन एक्सपेक्टेड accepted. First up, your references have been carefully examined and the result of our investigation has been entirely to our satisfaction. First up, we may say that the information now in our position reflects very much to your credit. Very truly yours. First up. फिर कहता है एक्सरसाइज नंबर 104. कहता है, डियर डॉक्टर ब्राउन, I wish to make application for the position of secretary. Details of which appear in today's Tribune. ये क्या है? Tribune. First up, I am 21 years of age. First up, I received a good business education and obtained an honors diploma in stenography. Yeah, stenography. First up, for the past 2 years, I have acted as a secretary to Dr. Brewster, who is, I think, known to you. First up, during this time, I have carried out the usual office duties. And in addition, I have taken the address special doctor's. देखिए है ये doctor's special dictation. First up, I know that my employer is satisfied with me with my services. First up, I would like, however, to secure a position in my own town. Full stop. Dr. Brewster has kindly given me permission to refer to him for any information regarding my ability. Full stop. If you wish me to tell you anything more to assist you in making a decision, I shall be glad to do so. yours truly. Full stop. फिर कहता है exercise number 105. Gentlemen, your representative called on us yesterday and gave us full information regarding your publications. First off, we were not able yesterday to make a final decision, but upon reflection, we feel that we can display to advantage certain of the titles in your catalog. पोस्टर फिर कहता है please delivered to us at once a dozen copies each of a dictionary of education. Dictionary of education. Public Finance Corporation Law. First up, if you have no objection, we shall return in of these books, any of these books which we find don't sell readily. First up, please keep us informed of any new books which are published by your organization. Very truly yours. First up.